Hello children, we are entering into the next chapter all about the internet. Are you wondering on the topic of this lesson? Now let us take a look at the pictures. Can you guess what it is? Yes, internet. So internet is a huge network of computers all connected together. Huge, there is no limit. Millions and millions of computers connected together forms the internet. Now what is this? World Wide Web, WWW. It's a collection of web pages. Our school have a website. Do you know? Take your ID card, your old ID card or our school notebook. You can see our school website www.theoptimuspublicschool.org. Okay. Similarly, www.thechennaisilks.com, www.sunnetwork.in, www.amazon.com. So these are the websites. So collections of web pages. Got it? Next, what is this? Chatting. Okay. So people are talking using the internet at the same time. So this is called chatting. Yes. So all these are done with the help of internet. So let us look at the history of internet. How internet started. So in the late 1960s, United States, America, Department of Defense, military department, developed the internet as a military research project. Okay, they want to send confidential messages. Okay, so at the time they called it ARPANET, which stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Who started? United States. For what purpose? Defense, military, to send the military messages, confidential messages. What was the purpose of developing ARPANET? It was created and it was developed to create an emergency military communication. As I said already, for communication, military communication, the two emergency cases which could withstand any nuclear attack. They want to send the message to someone else, but that should not be disturbed by any nuclear attack. So they used network. So gradually this started gaining popularity and it was introduced in universities and was used by scientists and now in schools, colleges and almost everywhere, resulting in the internet. If you post something on the internet, it will not be deleted by any nuclear attack. So what is internet actually? It is nothing but collection of thousands of computers around the world. It is also termed as network of computers. So collection of thousands of computers together called as internet. Okay. So what is network? Group of computers linked together is called network. Example I tell you, in the computer lab, if we connect all the computers together for some purpose, then it is called network. At the same time, if the computers in the computer lab are connected to some other computers at somewhere, it is called as internet. You understood? Okay. So we learned what is internet, what is network. Let me explain the uses of internet in the next video. Thank you, children.